poppin'? It's your girl Kayla Audette, and I'm back with another video. So today, by that title, yes, I'm finna be one of those ones to try this S-curl, Jheri curl on my hair, and I'm about to see if it's gonna make my curls poppin'. You know, popping. It's gonna make my curls poppin'. So I've been trying my little pineapple with my scarf. If you don't know where this twist out is from, stop what you're doing. Go click up here or here, whichever way it is. You're gonna see it pop up on your screen. Click up there and watch my mini protective style, and this is where these curls came from. But besides that point, y'all go click that video and you'll know what I'm talking about. And then you come to this video and you see the results. We're gonna get back on what I'm here to do today. So this product in my local beauty supply store was $3.79. But okay, let's talk about why I have this specific brand. I don't know if everybody's trying to do the S-curl tutorial or if I'm just late. Everybody been using this and they know how their curls turn out with this product, but I done been in 3 places and your sis can't find it nowhere. If y'all seen the original videos of what it's supposed to look like versus what product I got, but it had the same description and all that as the one I was supposed to get. I mean, I know it's similar, but it's probably gonna do the exact same thing, so that's why I wasn't worried. But I've been looking everywhere. I've been trying to find it online and all that. Cannot do that. I went to Sally's, they didn't have it. They said it was sold out. I'm trying to see if my good sisters out here knowing something I don't know, because I done watched a couple of videos and I'm like, them curls clump up and be perfect. It be marvelous. So I'm gonna see if that same product works on my curl texture. We're just gonna see that. But I cannot find this nowhere. But this is a curl activator.
What? What the fuck?
I know y'all like, you're not gonna put no texturizer or no chemicals in your hair. See, I read up on it, because I was thinking the same thing when I seen girls doing it. And I'm like, we work so hard to get this natural. Why try to convert it back? But it's it has none of those products in it, no sulfates and no gluten, no mineral oils, and none of that other stuff, you know, that the girls don't like. But it's a curl activator gel. Let's put it out there. It's a curl activator gel. It's supposed to soften and moisturize for extra dry hair, awakens natural curls and waves. So I got natural curls, so I'm gonna see if it's gonna awaken these natural curls. You feel me? But so let me read the directions. Work a generously amount into your hands and massage through damp or dry hair from the roots to the tips. Distribute with your hands, a wide tooth comb or brush. Dry with a diffuser or air dry. And you know your girl probably gonna try to do both. I'm gonna try to do diffuser, because you know your girl just bought a diffuser, put that in use. So I'm gonna do the diffuser, but I normally let my hair air dry because I don't like to put all that heat to my hair, so I normally just let it air dry. But we're gonna try today. Now, ingredients. Okay, the first thing is water. But your girl finna go wash her hair because it's been getting a little itchy in here. Like your girl got a weave, like.
Pat your weave, ladies. Pat your weave, ladies. Pat your weave, ladies.
Cause baby, it's been itching a little bit. So I'm gonna add some oils in there. Your girl gonna be right back, so I see y'all. So I'm back, y'all, and I got this big shower cap on. Y'all see, hair fill it up. Hair fills it up. I can't deal with one of them little baby little shower caps because they don't do nothing for me. So let's get into this product for which I've been waiting on. I'm about to detangle and section off my hair, and I'll be right back. Section my hair off. So about to put this to the test. I'm going to use this by itself first and see how it clumps up my hair. And if it's not clumping my hair like I know my hair can clump, then I'm gonna bring in Extreme Gel. So let's see what it's finna do. So I'm gonna add some more. Ooh. So this is my curl pattern in its natural state after a wash. So I'm gonna rake with my fingers first, and then I'm gonna go in with my dimming brush. It smells like that black gel that you used to use when you was a little girl to slick them ponytails down and them hairstyles your mama used to make you get. It smells just like that gel. This probably the exact same company, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna look that up and I'm gonna insert a picture. I think it's the same. It smells the same, just a clear version. But that's what it smells like. So let me get a little of this. It's a little. Oh, it's not. I was gonna say it's a little runny, but it's not. It's not so runny. It got a little good consistency, and it smells like that gel. So I probably got too much, but let me put this on. Let's see. It better activate my curls, or I'm gonna be activating wanting my money back. Look. Hello. Did I just find a product? Hello. Did I just find a product that I may be using? There, that's how it's look by itself, with me just combing through, scrunching, raking, whatever you want to say. That's just me doing it. So I'm gonna take my dimming brush and see what kind of curls I get from my dimming brush. Oh, hello. Your girl getting some clumpness, hunty. Clump. Can we say clump? Look at them coils at the end. I'm looking in my mirror right here. Yeah, I'm done. That's the end of this video. Okay. Okay. Let me add some Extreme, see what it's gonna do. See what it's gonna do, hunty. Let me add some Extreme. Let me rake this Extreme through. Yeah, I see it curling up. I think we just got some more out. That's how it looks when I finger comb it. And let me see what my dimming brush is gonna do. Now I definitely cannot wait to see how this is gonna dry. So this is how it looks. This gel is bomb, y'all. Y'all better go get y'all some. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna continue to work my way to the top and see how those curls at the top turn out, because my top is different from my back. So I'm happy about this. Let's see if it's gonna do something to my top. So I'll be back when I get to the top. Yeah, so this is how half of the back is looking. It has my hair so moisturized. Can y'all see that? Like, look at that. I'm in love with this right now. Single, make sure you get all the product at the top, and it's just got my curls popping right now. Like, yes. So I'll be back when I get back to the top. So this is how this side turned out. My curls at the top, they never cooperate with me. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, and I'll be back. So I'm back, and this is what it did to my hair, you guys. So this side is still wet, as you can see, and this side is, the roots are wet, but the ends are getting a little dry. So it most likely gave me a stretch. It didn't automatically just shrink up, but the bottom, as y'all can see, the back of my hair curls are marvelous, auntie. Marvelous. Let's see, can we get into that? Get into them curls, honey, at the bottom. My top got a different texture, so this is what it be coming out like. And then this side I just finished, so those curls gotta shrink up more. But this is how it looks. I'm probably going to diffuse it and come back. It's giving me curl definition, baby. I'm gonna have to use this on more of my wash and go. Like I said, it scratched my hair a lot, and I like that because when I normally do a gel, it shrinks it up. But this one will give it a stretch. So I'm about to diffuse, and I'll be back for the final look. So yeah, this is how my hair turned out. I diffused it a little, but I'm gonna let the rest air dry. So I just diffused my roots, and this is what we looking like, y'all. This stuff right here, plus my Old Faithful. Y'all see I'm about to run out. And this, you see how far it's like down there. So this is a one-time bottle for me for my whole head. So yes, it is not big hair girl friendly right now, because they're gonna have to come out with a container if they want me to continue to buy this, because I'm gonna need more than just the one-time use out of this, baby, because this is amazing, y'all. So this is my final look, you guys. If y'all want to see more videos on any other products that y'all want me to try, drop it down below in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button, hunty, so y'all can see when I upload. Thank you. Bye.